Hot tubs have their jacuzzi, instant noodles, they have Maggi, action cameras have GoPro, and for the most part, fitness trackers, well, they have Fitbit. They're probably the world's most well-known smart fitness tracker maker, and today I have their latest product with me. It's called the Fitbit Charge 3, and here are my first impressions. First things first, the Fitbit Charge 3 isn't a smartwatch. A smartwatch is something like an Apple Watch or a Samsung Galaxy Watch, devices that have an entire app ecosystem and a whole bunch of features. But it's also not a dumb watch. It's not one of those handmade in Switzerland watches, nor is it that Dora the Explorer watch we all wanted when we were a kid. No, it's a smart fitness tracker, and it's the kind of device that Fitbit has basically built their entire company on. So I guess it won't be surprising when I tell you that it's actually really good, and that it's also a significant upgrade over the Fitbit Charge 2. Yes, it will track stuff like heart rate, steps, and your other fitness metrics, but this Charge 3 also comes with the same sensor that debuted on the Fitbit Ionic. Yes, that sensor that can also track relative SpO2 or oxygen saturation. At least that's what Fitbit Malaysia tells me, because apparently they're not calling it the Tri-Wave sensor anymore. At least I couldn't find it in any of their marketing materials. Charge 3 also supports Fitbit Pay, which is the company's very own contactless NFC-based payment system. So that's pretty useful if you want to go for a run and you don't want to bring your wallet or your phone, but you can still pay for stuff with a little beep. Next, Fitbit also gave the Charge 3 a brand new case. This time it's made out of aluminum and it feels much sleeker and a lot more well built than on the Charge 2, which is really nice. But the best part about this new case is that the Charge 3 is now waterproof down to 50 meters. That means you can take this watch for a swim, you can take it for a shower, and you can also just dunk your hand in some water for fun. But that's not all, because Fitbit has also included something they call an inductive button, which is basically just a fancy way to say that there is a little spot on the watch which is pressure sensitive, and you can press to activate and navigate the watch like you would a regular button. I was never a big fan of the Charge 2's button. I didn't think it was a great button, so I definitely welcome this change. But it also made some other changes in the way you navigate this fitness tracker. For example, it now has a touch screen. So the previous Charge 2 had a screen that would only respond when you tapped on it. So you use the accelerometer to detect when it was a tap, and then it would switch screens like a button would. But this is a proper touch screen, so you can actually swipe between pages, pull up, pull down. It feels a lot more grown up, and I'm definitely a big fan of it. The next thing I'm actually a big fan of is the strap. Yes, it doesn't feel particularly robust, but the new mechanism to detach and reattach the straps is much better. It's so much smoother now, and I also think that it fits a lot more securely on your wrist than the old Charge 2. Plus, they've also got a special edition Nike Sport Plus-ish kind of smartwatch band, which has a whole bunch of holes for better breathability, and I really dig that. But here's my problem with the Fitbit Charge 3. Two of its biggest features don't actually work yet. Fitbit Pay, for example, isn't supported in Malaysia. And when I asked them why it wasn't supported in Malaysia, they told me that they were still busy talking to the banks and other relevant authorities to get this off the ground, which is the same thing they told me last year when they launched the Fitbit Ionic. Then you have the relative SpO2 sensor. I mean, it's there, but the algorithms and the things to make it work and to make it so that you can use it, those aren't there yet. And when I asked Fitbit about it, they said that, well, you guessed it, they're still working to get the relevant approvals and the relevant authorities on board so that they can actually launch this product, which was the same thing they told me when they launched the Fitbit Ionic. So we're kind of stuck here. Two of the big features that were supposed to propel the Fitbit Charge 3 ahead of its competition don't actually work. And all you're left with is just a regular fitness tracker. It's a really, really good fitness tracker. And I suppose that's not surprising since it comes from Fitbit, and it's also a very big upgrade from the Charge 2. But it's still a fitness tracker, and one without GPS, by the way. And it's also kind of an expensive fitness tracker since the base model retails for 728 ringgit, while the special edition retails for 838 ringgit. But those are my thoughts. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know and I will definitely read them. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever we post a brand new video. I'm Rory, this is searchandchow.com. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!